How many times have you received complaints from your customers saying that your customer service is very slow and that they have to wait a lot of time before someone gets their complaint or their question? If that is you, today I'm going to show you how to build a customer service bot using AI with a very easy setup in just 5 minutes. My name is Marvin. I am the co-founder of Bandsaw AI, and we help small and mid-sized businesses to implement AI solutions into their existing workflows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customer service bot using a very simple setup. The first step is going to this website, Bookedin.ai. This is a tool that will allow you to set up your customer service agent with just a couple of steps. What you need to do here is just to click on get started and then just follow the prompts, follow the steps, and create your own account. Once you create your account, you're going to be taken to the Bookedin AI dashboard, which is right here. And the first step that you have to do is go to this setup builder option, which is in the left side of the menu. Now, right now, I don't have any agents that are built or any setup yet. So I am going to hit this option, which is create your first system. If you have created systems before, then you're going to have a list of the systems that you have created right here. You can choose one out of three options right here. You can do a customer service bot, which is what we're going to cover in this video. You can use an instant response option. So basically respond immediately to people that fill out your forms in a website. Or you can create a lead reactivation system to re-engage all the contacts that have been in your CRM and that you have not contacted back yet. We're going to cover the customer support one. So you click on customer support. The setup builder will show the system progress. So how many steps in the creation you are. And to the right, you will see a step 1 out of 6. My first step is just to select system name. So we have to enter a clear name for this system, for this setup. I'm going to do Bandsaw AI customer service bot. And I'm going to hit continue. That was the next step. The next step is if I want to do this customer service bot using voice, meaning receiving phone calls, or if I just want to do a texting channel such as SMS or WhatsApp. I can select both. I can do voice and text. From the text, I can only select either SMS or WhatsApp. So for the sake of this video, we're going to do the SMS option to make it very easy and so that we can test it as well. Once you select the SMS texting option, you're going to hit continue. We are in step number 3 out of 6. And right now we have to just put the number in, what number we are going to use. For these, we're going to have 3 options. If you don't have a number and you want to buy one, then you select get a number. And this is going to allow you to select a phone number from your favorite area code. We're not going to do that in this video. We can use an existing number. So if you already have a phone number that you want to connect here, maybe you purchase it from Twilio, Vonage, or one of these providers, then we can use an existing if you have connected it before. And the last option is to import it as new. If you import it as new, it's going to ask you to connect it here. What I like about this is that if you select this option as well, you're going to have the instructions on where to click and how to gain access to that phone number. I have already connected one, so I'm going to do use existing number. If you see, this is the phone number which I acquired through Twilio. So I'm going to select this one. Now it's going to ask me to select my agent. I am using the starting plan, so I can only create up to agents. Once you click create agent, the option that we had to the right, then it's going to ask you some basic questions about you and your business for the agent to reply based on that information. So right here, it's going to ask me what is my company name. I'm going to put Bandsaw AI, which is the name of my company. I hit continue. So it says, what name should the assistant use when talking to customers? We're going to say Marvin, which is my name. I'm going to hit continue. What service do you offer? I'm going to do AI automation consulting. Continue. What is the main objective of the agent? Here, you have to give the kind of the personality to the agent. So if you want this to be a qualifying agent, a customer support agent, so I'm going to say that the main objective of my agent is going to be answer customer service inquiry. Then I'm going to hit continue. Do you have a website that I can learn from? This is optional, but the more information that you provide to the agent, the better it will reply back. So I'm going to say Bandsaw AI. That's my website. So I can continue. Any additional context about your business? This is optional again, but I'm going to do, we focus on small and mid-sized businesses that provide customer service support. And I hit continue. And that's it. Right now, this tool is creating and configuring the agent. So the only thing I need to do now is to wait. All right. So this is success. The agent has been created and has been configured successfully. Now I can provide some tools for my agent in the event that it needs to create appointments or it needs to access calendars. So in this case, I can connect calendar accounts. This is not an agent that's intended to create appointments. In my example, in my use case, it can definitely be different for you. So I am going to skip the connection. However, if you want to connect one, you just hit connect and it's going to ask you to log into your account. Again, just follow the prompts, follow the instructions, very easy to set up and hit continue. I'm going to skip the connection of the apps. And that is it. I have created my agent. I go to view system and I have my agent right here. What is the next step now? How do I test my agent? You go to the third option that is build. You go to agents and you will see the agent that's created right here. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to open this window. So for the people that is more technical or that understand more about AI automation and instructions, this is the place where you can actually provide more instructions on how you want your customer service bot to reply back. Maybe you want to change the tone. Maybe you want to provide specific instructions to specific questions. Right now, I'm going to test it. I go here to the right side. I go to test your agent. Because I selected the SMS, this is what I want to test. I'm going to test here and say, hello. So you will see how the agent will respond back. Hi there. Thanks for reaching out to Bandsaw AI. How can I help you with your AI automation needs today? I'm going to say, I have a question about what should I automate first? Great questions. Welcome to Bandsaw AI. To help you decide what to automate first, can you share a little bit more about your current workflow or biggest pain points? That way I can suggest the best starting point for you. This is going to also show the AI model, which is using the tokens that we're using the response and the cost that it's going to cost you for every answer. So think about that when you are going to scale. But again, this is a very easy way to plug your first customer service bot into your company. If you need help with this implementation or if you need more guidance, you can contact me. Go to our website, Bandsaw.ai, and just select a consultation call. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.